All right, how are you? Listen, today we're going to make this. It's really beautiful. This is a vegan version. This is rajma. Rajma basically means kidney beans, red kidney beans. It's a lovely, deep, slow-cooked curry. Fantastic stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so 1 cup of onion, 2 cups of tomato, fresh chili to taste, entirely up to you how much you want to put in. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. In there, let's check this out. There's a teaspoon each of coriander, turmeric, cumin, chili, garam masala powder. Now let's talk about our rajma or our beans. These are not from a can. I boiled them. You can use them from a can if you want. If you're going to use from a can, give them a nice rinse in some water. I soaked these and boiled these. You can see these are not the familiar deep purpley sort of color, you know, or mauve color. These are called a rose cocoa. They've kind of got a kind of, they're white with a kind of red vein in them sort of thing. Now, there's 2 cups there whole. There's 1 cup there that I've mashed up. So 3 cups in total. Really simple. Let's get moving. Now, I'm starting this off with oil. Lots of people will start this with butter or with ghee, but I'm keeping this nice and vegan. In there, I'm using a corn oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons. I didn't show you this earlier, but there we go. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And just as the oil heats up, and by the way, I've just put it on slightly above medium heat. That's going to infuse that oil. You know, let them do their thing for a few seconds. Then we're going to add the 1 cup onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add some salt. We're going to go on this above medium heat 3 to 4 minutes. Very, very simple recipe, this one. Okay, 2 cups tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Fresh chili to taste. And then let's have a look at our spices again. We've got 5 spices there, 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, coriander, garam masala, chili and cumin. In that goes. We're now going to cook this for 5 to 6 minutes on this above medium heat. You want those tomatoes to cook down a little bit. Give it a stir every now and then. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. So you can see this is coming together beautifully and the tomatoes are softening. We're now going to drop in the whole cooked beans or rajma. And then the 1 cup of smashed. Now, you might be wondering why I'm doing that. This is going to make it beautifully creamy and nice, really beautiful. But just 2 or 3 minutes, just throw this around, stirring pretty much all the time now. Let's get some flavors on those beans. After that, we're just going to add some water. Okay, next up, we're going to add some water. The amount of water is up to you. Let me measure this in so we can see. 1, 2, I'm going with 3 cups of water. I mean, the consistency of this is entirely up to you. Give that a mix. We're now going to reduce the heat down to not a simmer, but just above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for maybe 10 or 12 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Look at that, beautiful. It's thickened as it's evaporated. And that's the creaminess of this is from the broken or mashed beans that we put in. Off goes the heat. If you want, add some cilantro into that. Today I'm not going to. Check it for salt. That's a beauty. Okay, and there you go. Really simple and beautiful. That is fantastic with just white rice. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.